I'm going to be taking a look at EFLN requested over here on Investors Hangout. We have some people asking to have a little bit of DD done here and kind of dig into this company, see what's going on right now. You guys are currently at 0016 with a volume of 4 million, average of 73 million for the last 20 days. Well, like I said, 0016. Looking into the chart, there's really nothing here in the history that I'd be too concerned with right here. At this current time, you guys have a close of 9 and then open at 1-0 right here. So there's going to be a little bit of a gap. But again, like I always say, I wouldn't be too concerned with the 1 point gap down here at the beginning of a move. This is where you normally watch them. With that being said, had a gap right here, gap up, pulling down. Broke through that support of the 20, which would have been the 10-day simple moving average roughly around that time, exactly at 20. So that then became a resistance level. You pop through it, just could not get through that 10-day again. And unfortunately, that became another support area and then flipped over to a resistance level. All right, with that being said, right now, 0016, we're going to need a break of 2-0 to really turn this one bullish, in my personal opinion. 1-9 to be exact, but a 2-0 would be even better. Support level right now at 0014 as well. I would watch for this buying pressure to pick up and break you through that 002. That would definitely be the bullish move here. I do like, however, that how it's stabilized here. It did end up stabilizing fairly well at the 1.6. 1.6. Low again at that 13, followed up by that 30-day to 14. That's what I'd be watching. So we'll see what Joe has to add with this one. That is my opinion on the charts.
All right. So, sorry, I pulled up their quarterly report that was received on April 5th, 2017. All right. So they had revenue of $162,800.60. The cost of goods were $58,600. So they had a net revenue of $104,200.40, with the operating expenses being $75,248.80. See, so they had net income to shareholders were $28,951. But I mean, I pulled this thing up quick. I didn't really read the whole thing. All right, so at the end of December 31st, 2016, the fourth quarter company reports that have stable balance sheet with operative capital of $44,502.74, short-term investment of $25,630.37. The total consolidated assets and liability of the company is $519,142,047.93. Net asset to shareholders is $515,367,047.93, and liability of $3,689,000. The 500.
Where are you at, Joe?
Yeah, the EFLN, right?
Right. Well, what are you on the filings?
Oh, yeah.
Which one?
On their filings. It's, you know what, we didn't have it on that updated thing.
All right.
So I'm over on OTC markets. Yeah, see, I have to play between the two because a lot of the things these guys will report right to OTC markets, and some of it doesn't get put into the SEC filings that we have for the thing. So that's why I was pulling that up right there. So that right there, I mean, you kind of cut me off. I lost my spot. All right, so that's that. Let me see what their latest news is. So right now it's showing that they're pink limited with the yield. So let's see. On February 6th, we went over this a few times, right? Yeah. So their latest press release was on February 6th. It was Efuel EFLN Corp announces lease purchase agreement with Liberty Mines Group. So I don't know. I would have to go into the filings to see if that, what transpired with that. And I mean, they have the annual report of 2016 as well over there. I mean, there's a lot of different things to take in, but I don't want to sit there and use up everybody's time going through it like that. So, I mean, I went through the bread and butter of what they had on this quarterly report right here. And I'm not sure if it's the month of the research report. Yeah, so that was for the quarter. So I mean, that's really not that bad. All right, so if you want to continue doing more due diligence, just go right over to the EFLN board. And there you see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that Efuel EFN Corp board.
All right, and all that information that we were just talking about is available over here on investorshangout.com, completely free. Right there at time and sales, you see that. That's one of my personal favorites. You can track every single time and price and volume for each trade. For EFLN right now, currently at 0016. Watch for a break at 002, and this will turn bullish in my personal opinion. Very close here, guys. A 30-day simple moving average seems to be a really solid support for this one. Look at that climbing up here. We'll be continuing to watch this one. All right, resistance at 02. You break that, like I said, you guys can move up quite higher, maybe to 2.8 off the bat, but we'll watch that once that time comes. Support at 1.4 and 001. EFLN, if you follow this one, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. We'd appreciate it. And share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more we cover it. That's how we do it. And if you would like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.